This is a brief look at my John Deere STX38 that I have for sale. It's 38-inch cut. It's a 12.5 horsepower, 391, I believe, cc Kohler Command engine. A very high quality Kohler engine. Unit is in mint condition. Comes with the grass catcher. Let's see, tires are in excellent condition, belts are in excellent condition, bagger's in excellent condition. It has a high quality $100 gel battery. That thing goes close to 500 cca, and I think it's 425 cranks. It's almost new. Let's see, blades are sharp. Cuts excellent, starts right up, runs smooth, runs strong, has the electric PTO, 5-speed manual transmission, which is something you want, especially if you're going to use this for anything else like towing stuff, using it in the winter with a plow or snow blower. You want the manual. You got your nice easy deck height adjust right here. See, got your adjustable anti-scalp wheels, also in excellent condition. Like I said, it's an STX38. This is a much higher end unit than anything they sell it over at Home Depot, which I'll be selling for about half what you would pay for one at Home Depot, and it has the bagger with it. You'll be paying double for a Home Depot unit, and you won't get the grass catcher. That's important to note. There it is, 12.5 horsepower overhead valve, Kohler Command. Not a Kohler Courage, don't get it confused with one of them. It's the Kohler Command. Excellent engine. Oil was just changed, brand new air filter, new spark plug, new fuel filter, new oil filter, new fuel lines, fuel shutoff valve, fresh stabilized gasoline. As you can see, right? Now I'll go ahead and start it up, demonstrate it. With fall coming, having that grass catcher is going to be a big help. As you can see, the leaves are already turning, and they're starting to fall, and this grass catcher picks up the leaves really well. It also picks up the grass really well. It's a nice thing to have. Alright, I'm going to start it up now. One more thing else to note. You got your park and brake, right? It's obviously a pressure lubed engine. You got an independent clutch and brake. The nice thing about that is you do not have to step on the brake, come to a complete stop to shift gears. All you have to do is simply step on that clutch, whether you're stopped or in motion, and you can shift to any gear at any time. You do not have to come to a complete stop. The deck on this is solid as a rock. Built very, very well. And there's no rust or rot on it. Like I said, the unit is in mint condition. All right, I'll go ahead and start it up for you guys now. Got your choke, keys over here. Probably didn't need choke. Top-notch engine right there, cast iron cylinder liner. unit's got a lot of power and a lot of pep. You throw that in 5th gear and it wants to go. Electric PTO. As you can see, it runs excellent. It's got a lot of power to it. It has an anti-backfire valve, even though it just made a little backfire, but that's nothing. Small engines do that all the time. Thing cuts excellent. Gives a really nice cut. And it'll be listed for the posted price. I'm not going to go down too much from that, or probably at all, because this is an excellent American-made John Deere. This isn't the newer Chinese component-made ones and the ones they sell at Home Depot. This is a solid-made John Deere STX38. 38 cut, hydrostatic, excuse me, electric PTO, 5-speed manual trans. I got that confused. Electric PTO and hydro. I meant to say automatic PTO, electric PTO. Like I said, it's just a really handsome unit, and this will give somebody many years of excellent service. This thing was very well maintained. If you continue to maintain this thing, it'll go for a very, very long time. Those Kohler Command motors made over there in Kohler, Wisconsin. Okay, you can't beat these. These were top-notch motors. Now they moved on to the Kohler Courage, and those things have a lot of problems. Not this. You got an easy located oil drain when you got to go change your oil. It's not hard to get to like some of those stupid things they're making now. So, thanks for watching, and the thing will be listed for sale momentarily. Thanks.